If you are still paying $20 every month for ChatGPT, your Mac Mini can replace it for free.
In this guide, you will learn how to turn your Apple Silicon Mac into a private, high-speed, local AI powerhouse with zero subscription fees and total privacy.
Unlike traditional PCs where graphics cards have limited video RAM, your Mac Mini shares all its high-speed unified memory between the CPU and GPU. This allows an 8GB or 16GB Mac to load massive open-source models directly into memory with lightning-fast bandwidths. We start with Ollama, the industry-standard local AI engine. Head to ollama.com, download the macOS installer, and drag the app into your Applications folder.
When launched, Ollama runs silently in your menu bar, taking up barely 100 megabytes of RAM.
Open your Mac terminal and type Ollama run llama 3.1:8b. Ollama automatically pulls the latest optimized model weights directly from the registry, verifies the checksum, and loads it into your GPU in seconds.
Ask any question, and the model streams answers at over 30 tokens per second. Because inference runs entirely on Metal GPU acceleration, responses appear instantly with zero latency and zero internet data transmission.
If you prefer the exact look and feel of ChatGPT, install WebUI. It connects directly to your local Ollama engine, providing a beautiful browser interface with chat history, dark mode, multi-model switching, and full mobile accessibility across your local Wi-Fi network.
You get full feature parity with ChatGPT Plus. Drag and drop private PDF documents, spreadsheets, or code files directly into the chat for instant local analysis without ever uploading sensitive company data to third-party servers.
For those who prefer a dedicated desktop app without command lines, LM Studio is the ultimate alternative. Search thousands of models from Hugging Face, check hardware compatibility with one glance, and customize system instructions and temperature sliders with intuitive visual controls. Both Ollama and LM Studio include a built-in OpenAI-compatible API server. Turn it on with one click to connect your local models to coding tools like VS Code, Obsidian plugins, or custom Python automation scripts without paying a penny in API tokens.
By matching your model size to your Mac Mini's unified memory and running everything locally, you gain a private, lightning-fast AI assistant with zero subscriptions forever. Hit like, subscribe for more Apple Silicon guides, and enjoy complete AI independence.